everyone, I'm Forrest from Cootechx. Today I would like to introduce our company, Cooltechx, and milling products. We mainly do industrial chamber air conditioning, integrate production, R&D, sales, and are committed to providing a global layout and system solution for the inter-industrial chain, with international market and development potential.
Our industrial air conditioners are mainly used in electrical power, communication, new energy, medicine, automobile, and other industries. As a responsible party to solve the customer environmental problems, we develop environmentally friendly and unique products and provide the corresponding solutions.
Industrial air conditioners are available in various sizes and capacity to suit the specific needs of different industries. They are designed to withstand harsh industrial environments and maintain consistent cooling even in extreme temperatures.
With advanced features such as remote control and energy-efficient technology, industrial air conditioners is a cost-effective and reliable solution to maintain the optimal working conditions.
We use advanced technology to regulate temperature and humidity levels to improve equipment usage time and reduce energy cost. This results in significant energy savings and lower operating cost for business. From July 18 to July 22nd, we will participate in the exhibition in Qingdao. Welcome to contact us to talk business. Our goal is to create a globally competitive, world-class organization, and Cootechx will continue to pursue excellence.